Hello everyone, this is my first video and I'm really excited to start doing YouTube. I've done it once before and it wasn't very good, and I deleted the channel, but, I don't think you came here to, hear my life story, but I'm just gonna demo the project that we're gonna do today. Summon the wall, and, it's a giant wall that hits the player and kills them when you press a button. And it will reset, and then you can press the button again. So, we're just gonna do that. Stay tuned, and, this will be, you'll have a finished product at the end. So here we are in studio, I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown of how everything works. We have timestamps in the description, and stuff like that, so if you want to skip right to the scripting, by all means do that. So we're going to start with the wall. It's in workspace, and there are a couple scripts that we'll get to later. The wall moves in between the start part, which is inside the wall right now, and then it moves in between the end part. And so you can change these. That's why I did it. So it's a little bit easier. So now we have a local script that basically just handles everything you do, like when you tap the button. All right, so that's how this works. Alright, so I've deleted everything in the workspace, and we're gonna start building the wall. So, prematurely, I'm gonna set the material and color to neon and red, because I like that for things that kill people. So we're just gonna size that up. I like that size. I'm gonna keep it. We're gonna anchor it, and then we're gonna just name it wall. This is the only part you should really follow along to. You have to name it wall and anchor it. Now we're gonna insert two parts called start part and end part, like you just saw. If you watched that part, duplicate that. I changed the material, even though they're gonna be transparent. I still changed the material because it's important for me to not like. Alright, Alright, there we go. So what you want to do now is you have to have properties open, and in the properties, click on the wall. Now, go to position and copy everything down here. Now go to position in this part, this one part, and paste it. And if you hit enter, it should teleport right in the middle of this wall. Now I'm gonna make it transparent and name it start part, and you should do the same. Transparent and name it start part. There we go. We're gonna do the same for this one. We're gonna just paste the position, enter, make it transparent, but this time we're gonna name it end part. Alright, so with this one, you want to name you want to move it as far out as you want the wall to go. And if you move it this side, it'll the wall will also move here. So I'm just gonna put it right here. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. That's how you get everything set up, at least for the workspace. And just make sure everything is good. It's a really important thing to do. Alright, so here I inserted a couple scripts into the wall. I'm going to delete this one just because we don't need it yet. So we're about to type our code to move the wall. It uses tweens, so if you need help with that, just follow along. And this is a really essential part of the script. So remember we'll have timestamps and everything. So we're gonna start with local service. Service. There we go. Equals game : get service, and inside the brackets we're gonna type tween service. Another variable. Local info with lowercase I is equal to tween info dot new. Inside those brackets we're going to do 10.
Alright, the next variable is gonna be local loop is equal to true. A couple more. Local, oh there we go. Local s part is equal to game dot works. Oh no, we're just gonna do just workspace dot start part. And then the next one is local actually, you know what, change the capital S that says Spart, change it to a capital P instead. So local E part is equal to workspace dot end part. There we go. Alright, now we're just gonna do some functions, and we're just gonna make it so local replicated. Oh, first we have to do replicated storage. Replicated storage is equal. Oh, there we go. Is equal to game colon get service replicated storage. Local. Oh yeah. You gotta insert an event, remote event into replicated storage. I don't know if we haven't yet, but yeah, I'm recording this at a later date. So wall event is equal to replicated storage. Colon find first child wall event, and you gotta have it spelt the same way as you have it in replicated storage. Now we're gonna do some things. So that's a lot of variables. Now we're gonna do tween. So local function move, and then nothing inside of the brackets. Local anim is equal to curly brackets position with a capital P equals e part, corrected it, dot position. And then we're gonna go local tween is equal to service colon create, there we go, create script dot parent comma info. Oh my gosh, I am a fool. All right, there we go. Info lowercase I comma anim. There we go. All right, now we're gonna wait. So wait 4 seconds. And we're just gonna copy and paste this down here. So the only thing we're gonna change is we're gonna change E part down here to S part. There we go. Alright, so now we're gonna do tween colon play, and that's the end. And then we're just gonna wait 4 seconds, and that's the end of the function. Now we're gonna do wall event colon, dot on server event, and then colon, there we go, connect. And then in the brackets we have here, we're just gonna write function, put 2 more brackets, and delete the one in the end there. Now we're just gonna do move, and that's it. So now we're gonna go and write a kill script, and if you have had experience, you probably have done this before. It's important to know. I've been writing them for a while, and it's like the first script I wrote, actually. So we're gonna insert a script into wall, name it kill script, and just delete the hello world print statement at the start, like every time. So yeah, like I said, if you've had experience, you know how to do this. So script.parent.touched:connect function inside of there, like we just did, and then brackets and delete the one over there, and then but inside that we're gonna write hit, and then local char, which stands for character, is equal to hit.parent. There we go. Oh gosh darn it. We're just gonna write local char is equal to hit.parent. There we go. Local hum, which stands for humanoid, equals char.humanoid. Yeah, you're gonna want to put a capital H right there. That's important, otherwise it will not work. And we're just gonna do a little else statement. So if hum, then hum.health with the capital H is equal to 0. So we're almost done, and then else return. So yeah, just if it hits like an obstacle or something. So that's it. We're just gonna test this. It's gonna work. I don't doubt that it won't. But yeah, it'd be really funny if it didn't. No, yeah, see, works. Now we're just gonna write the GUI script, or I don't know if we've already written it. But yeah.
Alright, so here we are in started GUI, and I inserted a screen GUI. Just click the plus button and it's right there. So inside screen GUI, you don't have to name it. Click text button, and the text button will go down here. There we go. Now we're gonna rename the text button to button. I'm gonna insert a UI corner. There we go. Put it to 10. That's what I like. All the way. Well, no, we're just gonna kind of do it grayish. Turn up the transparency a little bit. The text will be press to move wall. We're gonna make the font. Where is it? Gotham Bold. That's a great font. It's kind of. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so that's that. Now we're just going to script it. So we're going to add a local script, and this is what we're going to type. Before we start typing, we're going to come over to the move script and copy lines 7 and 8 that say replicated storage and wall event. So we're going to put those in there. Now we're going to type a little debounce thing. So local db is equal to true, and then script.parent.mouse button one click connect function, and then nothing inside for the parameters. Now we're gonna do if not debounce, then debounce is equal to true. And then we're gonna do wall event colon fire server. Alright, there we go. Now right in between the two end statements, you're gonna type wait 5 seconds, debounce is equal to false. And up here, don't do true, do false when you're defining debounces. So if not db, so if it's not true, then it will play. And right here is wait time. So that is how long you want the person to be able to not click the button. So if they click it, they can't spam it. so that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, let's see if this works. So we're gonna click play. It could throw an error. It could just not throw an error and not work. But we'll get through this. So you click it, and guess I predicted the future. Alright, we're gonna do some debugging with the print statement. Actually, I'm gonna go, and I will come back when it is finished. Okay, so I found the problem. It's in the move script. I don't know how I didn't see this, but it's line 13. There was supposed to be tween:play, and that wasn't there. So go and fix this. So yeah, now it should work. And we play. See it? Press to move wall. There we go. Does it kill? Yep, it does. So that's the finished model. Thank you for watching, and like I said, if you have any questions, please comment them. And if you want to give me thanks or any feedback, I like to take constructive feedback, but you know, if you want to bash me in the comments, I really don't care. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you got this far, yeah, you're probably okay, because this is a bad video. So yeah, thank you for watching. You can please like the video. It only takes like a millisecond, and it really helps me. But one extra view is great. I really want to get to 100 views, and if it gets to 100 views, then I will make one on how to make it move like auto, and I'll build a little map. So basically kind of like a game series. So yeah, sounds good. I'll see you in another video, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.